Cold start, 6 a.m. Pouring down rain.
Sunday with Elucidation, the new show this year. You can click on newsradio1290.com for showtimes and ticket information. I have a family 4-pack to give away here on Bill's Brain Buster this morning. Your phone calls at 947-1290, 3 minutes past 6 o'clock. And we have not one, but 2 great half-off deals for you. For the Nova Max 11 Weather Lab, I'm WCOC TV meteorologist Dave.
7 o'clock. And it's still pouring down rain.
1290 WTKS. Oh, on the green. Nice shot. Oh, thanks. I didn't see you there. Hi, I'm your local Geico agent. Oh, that's cool. Do you want to play through? No, I'm not here to play golf. You're not? No, I'm here to help you save money on your car insurance. Save my car right now? Well, whenever you're ready. I'm local, so if you want Geico
caught by a cat.
Rates, but want some personal service, I'm never far away. Oh, here, I even brought you an extra pair of socks. An extra pair of socks? Yeah, you know, in case you get
8 o'clock and we're at the apartments. It just about quit raining. I only got about 40 of them to do here, backyards. Nine o'clock, still raining. 65 more backyards to go. Going back to the jungle. We're heading down to the last end of the row apartments. Whew. 2 more cans to drag back out of these. 5 more to get from behind that jungle. Whew. And it'll be about time to go get a sandwich in. Time to get a soda and something to eat. 9:45. And I just saw lightning. We're fixing to get a thunderstorm. That's going to make it even more fun. This is the uniform of the day. A rain suit and river boots. Yeah, I got lucky. The wind switched directions. Started to rain like crazy and it's been thundering now. I just got out of the apartment. Very lucky.
We're going to change your head. You say you want to change the Constitution.
Rainy day in Georgia on the transformation. They're doing away with the dead man curve. On Dean Forest Road here.
Everything
4 deep at the scale. Ooh, lightning.
Peace. Lord Zuckerman saying Obama has failed. Obama punted on the economy and reversed the fortunes of the Democrats.
This is the Wall Street Journal.
Ooh.
I'm Marcy Norton.
12:30.
And
I'm through.
Aimed at limiting the amount
It's been raining all day long.
Dow Jones Industrial, the down 198 points at 10,404. And NASDAQ